at the outset, what is important is for us to know what is the meaning of justice. Diba? Justice is giving to every man what is due. Diba? As one philosopher says, justice is an active representation of truth. Then it should be moored on good conscience, morality, and propriety. That's why you can see a statue of a blindfolded woman. You should look at it irrespective of the relationship, the kindred, the friendship that prevail. As a lawyer, as a judge, you must look into the facts of the case, not into your emotion, not into your attachment with somebody else. So in that way, you serve justice well. Well, as a judge, as a lawyer, we appreciate, as a lawyer, by appreciating what is really truth. No? As I said earlier, as one philosopher puts it, it's an active representation of truth. So if you are truthful to yourself and truthful to other people, and then justice will be well served. For example, as a judge, you should afford the same opportunities, same benefits, same advantage given to the accuser as well as to the accused, in the same level of treatment. Let no emotions prevail, but as a judge, it must be based on facts and evidence presented, not on whom you know, not on your relationship with somebody else, but because that is the truth. You see it from the impartial point of view.